Hello kids, good afternoon. My name is Priyanka and I am taking your English period today. In English we are learning words, 3-letter words. Yes? Now today we are going to learn few new words. So first, let's see our school name. What is our school name, students? Super 30 Kids. What is our school name? Super 30 Kids. What is the spelling of Super 30 Kids? S-U-P-E-R, Super, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, K-I-D-S, Kids. Super 30 Kids. And what is the date today? Today is 8 December 2020. And what is the day today? Today's day is Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. And which subject we are going to take today? We are going to take English subject. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. What? English. Yes. Today we are going to learn AD words. What we are going to learn today? AD words. What is the pronunciation of AD? Tell me. AD, add. AD, add. AD, add. Say 5 times. Come on. AD, add. AD, add. AD, add. AD, add. AD, add. Okay. Now, our first word is D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. So, tell me, what is the phonic sound of D? Come on, student, tell me what is the phonic sound of D? D. D says D. What we are saying? D. And what is the pronunciation of AD? AD, add. D-A-D, dad. We have to join them. And the 3-letter word D-A-D, dad. Okay, student. So, how to write D-A-D, dad? First, we have to write D, small d, right? Then after A, D. D-A-D, dad. What will we pronounce? D-A-D, dad. Dad. Come on, say after me. Now when you are writing, that time you have to say loudly. D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Correct? Yes. D plus A-D. D-A-D, dad. Now the next word is S-A-D. Now tell me, what is the phonic sound of S? S says S. S says S. S-A-D, sad. अगर आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है ना वर्ड, तो आपको स्पेलिंग रीड करनी है. ओके? You have to read spelling first. अगर आपको ये पता नहीं कि क्या है, so you have to read this spelling. D-A-D. फिर भी नहीं आपको आ रहा है, तो आपको ये जो फर्स्ट लेटर है ना, उसका फोनिक साउंड याद करना है. So tell me what is the phonic sound of D? D says D, right? So D and A-D, add. D-A-D, that. Like this you have to remember it. Okay? Now the next word is S-A-D. Now tell me what is the phonic sound of S? दिख रहा है ना आपको? What is the phonic sound of S? S says so, right? And A-D, add. So join it, come on, join it. S-A-D, sad. Correct? S-A-D, sad. So you have to write it in a good handwriting. And you have to read it loudly. Okay? S-A-D, योर पेज नंबर 14. पेज नंबर 14 ले रहे हैं हम. फोनिक बुक है ना आपकी रीडिंग बुक, उसमें से. ओके, सो एडी वर्ड्स, ये दो वर्ड्स है हमारे पास. DAD dad, SAD sad, and third one is IS is. This also you have to learn. IS is, IS is, IS is. Come on, say loudly. IS is, IS is, IS is. Come on everyone, say it again. DAD dad, DAD dad, SAD sad, SAD sad, IS is, IS is. Like this you have to read this word and learn it. क्या करना है आपको? Learn करने हैं. Okay? Now next is AG words. AG, ag. What we are pronouncing? Ag. AG, ag. Right. Now first word is BAG. Now here we have to write B and join A, G. Okay. B, A, G. So tell me students, what is the phonic sound of B? B says B, right? B says B. AG, ag. मैंने अभी बताया, right? AG, ag. So we have to join it. B, AG, bag. What will be pronounced? B, AG, bag. Yes. Now here downside also we have to write in a good handwriting. BAG, bag. Now जब भी आप लिख रहे हो तब आपको रीड भी करना है वो लाउडली. ओके, BAG bag, BAG bag. Come on, say after me. BAG bag. Okay, the next word is tag. Tag. What is the meaning of bag? Tell me first. What is the meaning of bag? Bag लेके जाते हैं तुम स्कूल में. स्कूल बैग, वाटर बैग, लाइक दिस बैग, ट्रैवलिंग बैग. हम जब जाते हैं, अभी दिवाली के टाइम गए थे ना आप मामा के घर, तब क्या लेके गए थे आप? किस में लेके गए थे आपका सामान? बैग में. ट्रैवलिंग बैग. जो हम स्कूल में लाते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? स्कूल बैग. जिससे हम पानी पीते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? वाटर बैग. Like this, so many bags we have. And what is the spelling of this bag? BAG bag. Okay. Now tag. T A G. Now tell me students, what is the phonic sound of T? What is the phonic sound of T? T says T. Correct? T says T. And what will pronounce of AG? AG को क्या pronounce करेंगे हम? AG, ag. Now tell me. This is T and this is AG. We have to join them. TAG, tag. Okay. TAG, tag. TAG, tag. Tag. What is the meaning of tag? Who will tell me? TAG, tag. TAG, tag. TAG, tag. Okay. So tell me, what is the meaning of tag? TAG, tag. आप जब न्यू ड्रेस लाते हो उसे क्या रहता है? वो कार्ड रहता है, देखो हम उसे निकाल के फेंक देते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं? टैग. व्हाट विल कॉल देम? टैग. टैग बोलते हैं उसे. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सैग. SAG, sag. Now tell me student, what is the phonic sound of S? So, right? And AG, ag. So what will we call them? SAG, sag. 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 What will we pronounce? Sag. SAG, sag. SAG, sag. SAG, sag. So get it? This is BAG. bag. T-A-G, tag. S-A-G, sag. You have to pronounce it properly, clearly, okay? Yes. Now here we have to learn how to make words from puzzles. This is puzzles. Game खेला है आपने puzzles का? Yes. So first read the question. Write A and make 2 words. क्या करना है हमें? ये जो fill in the blanks है, ये जो दिख रहा है आपको blank box, उसमें हमें लिखना है A. We have to write there A, small a. अगर हमने यहाँ पर A लिखा है, then we got 2 new words. क्या मिलते हैं हमें? 2 words मिलते हैं. देखो हाँ, B-A-G, bag. This is one. B-A-G, bag. This is one word. And second one is T-A-G, tag. Yes, we got 2 new words. So that words we have to write in the box. So first word is B-A-G, bag, right? So here we have to write B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. And the next word is, second one is T-A-G, tag. So we have to write in next box. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. These 2 words we got from this puzzle. Now next one. Here also we have to write A in the blank box. हमें blank box में क्या लिखना है? A लिखना है. A. So here we got 2 words again. D-A-D, dad, and S-A-D, sad. Right? So D-A-D, dad. This is first word. So we have to write in the first box. D-A-D, dad. What will you pronounce? D-A-D, dad. The next word is S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Now this word we have to write here. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. These 2 words we got from this puzzle. Okay student? So you have to write it like this. आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको बुक में, okay? Blank box में क्या लिखना है हमें? A. What we have to write in the blank box? A. Then we got 2 words. In this puzzle we got new 2 words B, A, G, tag. And in this puzzle we got again 2 words that S, A, sad. Understand? Yes. So you have to do your homework properly like this. Now again we learn new words, new 3 words, AP words. What? AP, AP, app, AP, app. Now student, our first word is CAP, cap. Here we have write C-A-P, okay? C-A-P, cap. Now tell me, what is the phonic sound of C? What is the phonic sound of C? C says K, right? C says K. And AP, app. AP, app. We have to join them. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Cap means पहनते हैं हम वो वाली कैप, टोपी. Yes. C-A-P, cap. So round side also we have to write it. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Cap, cap. C says cup, C-A-P, cap. C says cup, C-A-P, cap. Next one is T-A-P. So tell me student, what is the phonic sound of T? What is the phonic sound of T? Yes. T says T. T says T. T. T-A-P, tap. T says T, A-P, tap. दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है. T-A-P, tap. Yes. Tap means नल. पता है ना आपको, है ना आपके घर पे tap. उसे क्या बोलना है हमें? Tap बोलना है. So downside also we have to write this word and say loudly T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Like this we have to write it. Next word is O and on. This is very easy word, you know that. O and on. O and on. O and on. Yes, so student, this is AP words. C says cup. C-A-P, cap. T says top. T-A-P, tap. O and on. Cap, tap, on. Like this you have to read it. Cap, tap, on. Understand? Yes. Now students, one more question we are taking. Look at the letter and draw one pic. Means draw one object. You have to draw one object. So students, here we have some words. So what you have to do? You have to read this word carefully first. आपको क्या करना है? पहले ये वर्ड्स अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं. चलो पढ़ो. First word is B-A-T. 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 Bat. Correct. B-A-T. Bat. So here we have to draw pic of bat. Bat का जो पिक्चर है वो हमें ड्रॉ करना है. मैंने एक आपके बुक में ड्रॉ करके रखा है, आपको वो देखना है. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. The next word is, read it, come on. M-A-T. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Here you have to draw picture of mat. Mat draw करनी है आपको. कैसे करते हैं mat draw? First we have to make one rectangle and then standing line, standing line, standing line. Here also standing line. And then make checks in between. This is M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Now the next word is J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. So यहाँ पर आपको जैम की बॉटल ड्रॉ करनी है. ये ऐसी बॉटल आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर लिखना है J-A-M, jam. Yes, like this you have to draw bottle of jam. Next is C-A-N, can. Read it. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. How to draw can? ऐसे आपको ड्रॉ करनी है can. And यहाँ पर हैंडल भी ड्रॉ करना है. Okay, this is can. C-A-N, can. Now the next word is C-A-P, cat. You have to draw here one cat. Look here. You have to draw one oval. Oval. Draw करना है आपको. And then half circle. One circle outside. Like this you have to draw cat. Okay. So read this word again. B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. J-A-M, jam. C-A-N, can. C-A-P, cat. Like this you have to draw all the objects of the correct word. आपको पहले word अच्छे से read करना है. Word क्या है वो समझना है. Then after you have to draw the picture. Okay students? Now our session is over here. You have to complete your homework in a good handwriting. Okay? And read this word again and loudly. आपके मम्मी पापा को read करके दिखाना है आपको words. Understand? Yes. Now say bye bye to ma'am. Bye everyone. Take care.